Yesterday we are learn practice set 5.1 and today we are going to learn practice set 5.2. That's some of the problems are we are completed. So what will be the remaining problems that we are going to learn? So this is the practice set 5.2, question number 3, 4 and 5 that we want to learn. So this is the question number 3. Find a ratio in which t minus 1 6 divides, means t is the midpoint, that is divides, okay, that divides the segment which p and q segment, that is divides. So for understanding purpose I can draw a diagram, because with help of diagram you can easily understand what I want to say. So here is, this is the p points, this is the t, that is divide the segment pq. So this is the q. So p points coordinates are written here -3 and 10. T points coordinates are x and y, and q points coordinate is 6 and -8. Okay, so this ratio you want to find out, x and y. So that is the ratio you want to find out. So your given is x1 minus 3, y1 3, sorry, x1 minus 3, y1 10, x3 x2 6, y2 minus 8. So with help of that given information we can write here x1 is equal to -3. So that is already seen here, x1 is equal to -3. Then y1 is equal to 10. So I write y1 is equal to 10. Then x2 is equal to 6. So I write x2 is equal to 6. Then y2 is equal to -8. So I write y2 is equal to -8. So here is the x1 value, x value is already given, x is equal to given -1. See, it is the x value, that is the t point, -1, and y value is given 6. So y value is equal to 6. Okay, so here is bisection formula, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So here is written x means that value you are given to you, and that value is given -1. Okay, so m means the ratio you want to find out, so that is m. x2 is given here 6, n is also ratio, x1 is given here -3, and m plus n. So substitute the values here. So x value, that is we are given here -1, here is also write you -1, so that x value is written -1. m is remain as it is. x2 is equal to what, 6. So I write here 6. n value remain as it is. x1 is equal to -3. So I write here -3. m plus n. So 6 into m, 6m, -3 into n, -3n. So 6m minus 3n. So here is, I will go back to show something. See, -m multiplying m plus n. This is the -1. So that -1 multiplying m plus n. And here is 6 into m, 6m, and -3 into n, -3n. So 6m minus 3n is equal to -m minus n. That is you are getting here. See, 6m minus 3n. So -1 multiplying m minus m, minus a1 multiplying n minus n. So -m minus n. So see, -m go across, it become plus. So 6m plus m, what you get, 7m. So this is the -3n go across become plus. So 6m plus m, 7m. So here is we are getting 7m. 3n is positive, n is negative, sign is not same, subtract. 3n minus n, what is remains, 2n. So 7m is equal to 2n. So 7m is equal to 2n. 7 is 2 is multiplying, go across, divide. So here is m is remain as it is. This n is multiplying to 2. When that n go across, it can be divided. So here is you get m upon n. So these 2 remain as it is. This 7 is multiply. So that 7 multiplying go across, divide. So 2 upon 7. Are you understand how can get that? See, 6m plus m, 7m. So I write here 7m. 6m minus 3n. What is remains here? 3n. So I write here 3n. minus n which is plus m 7m, 3n is there, 3n minus n you are getting 2n. So 2 these remain as it is. This n is multiply, go across, divide. So m upon n. This 2 is remain as it is. 7 is multiplying m. When that 7 go across, divide. So 2 upon 7. So m upon 7 is equal to 2 upon 7. That is the ratio. M is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. Anyone doubts? So the T divides the line segment PQ in the ratio 2 is to 7. Then we are going to see the problem number 4. Point P is the center of circle and AB is the diameter. Find the coordinates of point B if coordinates of point A and P are 2, minus 3, and A point's coordinates, this is the A point's coordinates, 2, minus 3, and P point's coordinates minus 2, 0 respectively. So here also we can draw the diagram. With help of diagram you can understand easily. So see, this is the E point's coordinates 2, minus 3. This is the B point's coordinates, they are not given, so that is considered x and y. This is the P point's coordinates minus 2 and 0. So with help of that information you want to find out x and you want to find out y of B points. So see, A point's coordinates is written. The center of circle is the midpoint of diameter. Okay, yes, because center of circle is the midpoint of diameter, because this is radius, they are equal, so it is midpoint of diameter. Then by midpoint formula we are using, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 is equal to x. So first we have to find out x. So x is equal to x1 y, x1 x2, x1 is 2, x1 is 2, x2 is x. So here is 2 plus x. बघा ज्यांच्या डोक्यावर नाही गेलं त्यांनी midpoint formula. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So you want to find out x value. So that x value is given minus 2. So here is I write x value minus 2. x1 is 2 plus x2 is x divided by 2. 2 is divide, go across, multiply. Minus 2 into 2, what you get? Minus 4. So here is minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 2 plus x. That you get. Minus 4 is equal to 2 plus x. So this is the 2. 2 is positive. So when that 2 positive go across, it become negative. Minus 4 minus 2 is equal to 6. So this x is remain as it is. It is minus 4. That is remain as it is. 2 is positive, go across, negative, minus 2. So x is equal to minus 6. So you are getting the value of that x is minus 6. Which x value you are finding? This x2 value of the b. That is the x value you are finding, that is the minus 6. So same we are finding the value of y. हे ज्यांच्या डोक्यावर गेलं त्यांनी बघा की आपल्याला इथे x ची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे -2, इथे x1 दिलाय, y1 दिलाय, इथे x2 आणि y2. हा x2 आपल्याला काढायचा आहे, हा y2 आपल्याला काढायचा आहे. मग मिड पॉइंट थेरम वापरणार आपण. मिड पॉइंट थेरम काय सांगतो? x इज इक्वल टू x1 प्लस x2 डिवाइड बाय 2. मग x किती आहे तुमचा -2 म्हणून इथे -2 टाकलं. x1 किती आहे तुमचा 2 म्हणून इथे 2 टाकलं. x2 किती आहे तुमचा x म्हणून इथे x टाकलं डिवाइड बाय 2. 2 is divide, go across, multiply. 2 to the 4, -4. -4 is equal to 2 plus x. So this 2 is positive, go across, negative. So x is equal to -4 -2. X is equal to -6. Then we can find out y. So y is equal to y1 plus y2. So y1 is -3, y2 is y divided by 2. 2 is divide, go across, multiply. 2 into 0, 0. So 0 is equal to 2, 0 into 2 is equal to -3 plus y. Because this 2 is divide, go across, multiply. So this 2 divide, go across, multiply. 0 into 2, you are getting -3 plus y. So 0 multiplying any number, answer is 0. So here you are getting 0. -3 plus y is equal to 0. -3 go across, it become plus. Y is equal to 3. Such a way you are finding x and you are finding y. Then we are going to learn problem number 5. Find a ratio in which point P point coordinate k is 7 and divide the segment A, and at P point divide the segment A and B. So A value is given, X value is 8, Y value is 9. B value is X value is 1, Y value is 2. And P, X, Y value K and 7. So you want to find out values of K. So understanding purpose we can draw the segment here. So see, this is the AB segment. Okay, this is the AB segment. P is the point given. So A points coordinate 8 and 9. B points coordinate 1 and 2. So this is called x1 8, y1 9. This is called x2 1, y2 2, and this is x1. So you want to find out the values of k. So what is given, that is written here. The ratio m is to n by section formula. You want to find out the m into n. So it is the x value. So this is the x value is k1, that is not here k. So y value are taken y. So y is equal to 7. Then my2 plus ny1, my2 plus ny1. So see y2 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 9. So y2 is equal to 2 and y1 9 divided by m plus n. So 2 into m, what you get? 2m. 9 into n, what you get? 9m. So see here, 2 into m, 2m, 9 into n, 9m. So 7 is remain as it is, 2m plus 9n divided by m plus n. So m plus n is divide, go across, multiply. So 7 into m plus n. So 7 into m plus n is equal to 2m plus 9m. See, 7 into m, 7m. 7 into n, 7m. So see here, 7 into m, 7m. 7 into n, 7m is equal to 2m plus 9m. This 2m is positive, go across, negative. So 7m minus 2m, 7m minus 2m. 9n is remain as it is. 7n positive, go across, negative. So 7m minus 2m. What is remains? 5m. 9n minus 7n. What is remain? 2n. So 5m is equal to 2n. So 2n is multiplying here. Go across, divide. So m upon n. So m upon n. This 2 is this side. This 5 is multiplying m. See the last step here. I will show you that 5m. That 5 is multiplying m and this 2 is multiplying n. So this n is remain as it is. So n is multiplying. So when that go across, divide. So you are getting m upon n. This 2 is remain as it is. This 5 is multiplied. Go across, divide. So you are getting m upon n is equal to 2 upon 5. Are you understand? Such a way. Then we are write the ratio m is to n is equal to 2 is to 5. Then we divide the segment in the ratio. Which ratio? 2 is to 5. Are you understand? By section formula. So you are getting ratio here. What? 2 is to 5 ratio m is to n. Because you want to find out the k value. So if you want to find out k value, then with help of section formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So see, k value, k is remain as it. M is equal to what? 2. See, m is to n ratio is given. So m is equal to 2. So I write here 2. Then x2 is 1. N is equal to 5. So I write here 5. Then x1 is 8. M plus n, 2 plus 5. 2 1s are 2, 8 plus 2 1s are 2, 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. 41 upon, 2 into 1, 2. 8 plus 5, 40. Are you understand? 2 into 1, 2. Plus sign carry as it is. 5 into 8, 40. 2 plus 5, 7. So 2 plus 40, what you get? 42. 7 6 are 42. So k is equal to 6. Such a way we are finding the value of k. This problem is coming in exam. So you must be solve this problem so many times. Such a problems are coming in board exam. So you can do this problem 2 or 3 times to remember you very well. So I am completing these all problems what will be given in this exercise. So what I taught, whether you are understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of the homework. So one of the problem for homework is given to you. So please solve this homework and send me on my WhatsApp number. And you like this channel, subscribe this channel. If you are not subscribed, then subscribe this channel. If you are subscribed, then share this channel videos with your friends which are learning in the same class, 10th class, but school is different. So share this video with that students and say to them, subscribe this. Stay home, stay safe, do your work. That is, your work is study. So do your work of study very well, and bye. Have a nice day.